there's a secret, lot of secret in the Brookhaven, but they got. Oh, there's. I need to go there, but first, let's. Hello. What is the
Roblox din kami ako eh.
Alam ko. Said it's open. Oh, there's a broken window, but I'm not sure if what? No! That
I'm so. Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Okay, ito.
Kanino yan, Roblox?
Kay ate ko. Kaya babae. Pero meron ako narinig.
Ay, Brookhaven na
Uy!
scary yun eh. Uy!
Don't die. So far. Okay. What is that? There's blood. Oh, I knew it. That's the we're gonna fight. You see the video. It says fight the boss. That's the boss. But where is our weapon? There's no weapon. So I'm leaving.